up, guys? I got the 70 Riviera here with this old busted ass bumper that we're gonna bring back to life. That's the job. We kind of just mounted the bumper on here just enough so we can go ahead and get to it and getting it cleaned up. Guarantee you it will look amazing when it's done. As you can see, it still has a Reserve Louisiana sticker on it with this old 1992 license plate. Just kind of have it hanging on there so it's not on the ground. But I guarantee you we're gonna have this thing looking brand new in a few short steps. Check it out. We use this wheel and tire cleaner just to spray it on here and get most of the crap off first. So, you didn't think we were done, did you? This is what it looks like after just a regular, kind of just a wash. As you can see, it still has quite a bit of what looks like pitting or even kind of mold still on there, and dirt and dust. Not dust, but dirt. Looks a lot better, much more presentable. But if you got up close to it, you would say, oh my God, what is that on there? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some magic. And then magic is right here on this stool. Steel wool, quad aught, with your choice of mag and aluminum polish. Protects all metals. So you can use this mother stuff here, you can use any kind of metal polish, chrome polish, it all works great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you up right here, and we're gonna work on this one little fin here and see what we can come up with. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these quad aughts here. I don't even use the whole thing. I usually kind of just work with half at a time. You have your rag here to polish after it. So we're going to work on this one section. You know, less is more. Kind nice circular motion. Some people use aluminum foil, which I guess you can, but it's supposed to fill in the cracks. But this stuff works really, really good. It might take a little bit of elbow grease. And it's good when it's dry, too, honestly. All right, so we'll see what we have with this spot here. Certainly not brand new chrome, but it looks really good. We'll see what we can get working with in a minute. Okay, I'm working on this section here. Really got to put a decent amount of pressure to get this going. How dirty that is. Now, like I said, 2 feet away, it's absolutely amazing. Come up close on it, it's really, I mean, it's like mirror compared to this, look. That's what we're gonna work on next. We're gonna work on this little area. Set this tripod up, get working on it. Alright, so we're going to start on just a thin coat on here and just start working it in. Your arm will definitely be sore the next day. Kind of turn it over, get some fresh. Beats getting $2,000 bumper chrome job, huh? I mean, this is kind of what it looks like before, even after washing it. What it looks like after sitting up forever, polishing some steel wool. So you can still see it's got a little bit of pitting in it, but you step out a foot and you can't tell. I mean, it just looks amazing. So I'm gonna do this little top section here and then the side so we can have a good just comparison of what the whole thing looks. That's what that side looks like. Then come to the other side. That's what it looked like before. You'll say, oh man, that's nasty. Look at that. I'll say, okay. Check this out. Still have to do the underside. Look, you can see what it looked like. Down into that. I'm gonna show you guys the finished project once it's done. But that's it. Just a little bit of elbow grease, a lot of time, and you can have your chrome bumper looking good. This is all done on the budget. I thought I was gonna say, man, I thought I was gonna have to spend $2 on a new bumper, you know, front and rear bumpers to get them repainted, but replated, because that's a lost art now and it's expensive. But boom, pack of quad ot steel wool, some polish, done deal. I'll come back and I'll show you the full finished. So there we go, guys, all finished. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me just show you how awesome this came out. Look at that. It is shine. Much better than spending a couple grand on a bumper. I think it came out awesome. And I used about that many. I used about half of this, the mother's polish, and you know, 4, 5, 6 little Brillo pads. Really not too bad at all. So again, easy way to save yourself $2,000 on rechroming a bumper. Refinish it, refurbish it just like that. Nothing but a little elbow grease. Thank you.